Whether you are sexually active or you are planning to be sexually active or you have someone under your roof that needs your guidance, you need to sit down and listen to what I have to say, because today it is all about condoms. Yes, condoms. That is what we are going to be talking about today. Hello and welcome to Treasure Health Space. My name is Onyechi Linda. I'm a registered nurse midwife. It is not uncommon in our environment to see people being shy of talking about condom, of talking about contraceptives. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. And you see a lot of young people, a lot of persons, when you walk on the street of social media, you see them making different posts on different platforms, asking the admin to hide their identity. Yes. So before you make that hide my identity post, you need to sit your ass down and learn. Today I'm going to be sharing with you rules that governs the use of condom. You need to stop being shy about your reproductive health, because your health is a treasure. The day you look for it and you not find it, that day you will know that nothing else matters. Number one thing you need to do with condom is to use them correctly. Condoms have up to 98% effectiveness in preventing pregnancy and STI only when used correctly. So you need to use it correctly. It is the only contraceptive method so far that can offer a dual protection. Second thing you need to do is to take charge of your reproductive health. Do you know that safe sex is one of your reproductive rights? You need to take charge of it by walking into a store without being shy, buy your condoms and leave. You don't need to go into a store to buy other things that you don't need just because you want to get a condom. Do you also know that you can get condoms free of charge in government owned institutions across this nation? All you need to do is to go into any government owned institution, walk into their family planning unit and make a request for condom. You will be given, whether the male or the female, anyone you want will be given to you free of charge. Another thing you need to do is to always carry it around, because these things happen when we don't expect it. The fourth thing you need to do is to make sure that you're keeping it in a safe and dry place, in a clean and dry place. Don't store it in your wallet or leave it in the car, because excess heat or cold can cause wear and tear, thereby reducing its effectiveness. Number five, please don't forget to check the expiring date. It's always written on it boldly. Don't forget to check the expiring date, and if it has expired, please do not use it. Don't use an expired condom. And do you know how to use it? You need to use one at a time, just one condom at a time. And how do you use it? Please don't do this. You're trying to use your teeth to open the condom pack. Please don't do that, because you might as well use your teeth to cause some cracks on it. So I'm going to make a little demonstration for you. You need to learn how to use it and use it correctly, so that you don't be among the 2% that will have mini you or different diseases or infection as a result of improper usage of condom. So watch. You open the condom pack. You can see the edges are serrated. You open it from here. Okay. You bring it out. You see this part. You can see as you bring it out, make sure your partner's penis is already in an erect position. You pinch it, wear it on the gland's penis, and you roll it out. Let's assume this is the penis. You wear it on it, you roll it out. This is how to wear it on. And if you have to use a lubricant, you have to use a water-based lubricant. Resist the temptation to go and use groundnut oil in your kitchen, or to go and use the shea butter in your wardrobe, use a water-based lubricant. Please use a fresh condom for every round of sex. Please withdraw correctly. Withdraw correctly. You need to hold the base right here. You need to hold the base and withdraw so that you don't spill the content. And when you have done that, you also need to dispose it off correctly in your dustbin, in your trash, not in the toilet, or it's going to clog your pipes. Please do take note that abstinence still remains the best. You need to abstain, you need to zip up. If you can't, make sure you practice safe sex. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you got value from this video, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and share it. Bye, and see you in my next video.